transfer Bitcoin from PayPal to another wallet. Hello everybody. In order to do that, you may follow up these methods. So first thing is you may open up the PayPal application onto your screen and log in into your account, and you should be finding this balance tab. So from the home tab, you can head over the finances tab at the second. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you go ahead and tap on it, under finances, we have balance, savings, and crypto. You may select up the third option, crypto, and from crypto, locate up the option called Bitcoin. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it here, it will display up your balance. So all you gotta do is from this buy, sell, and we have this arrow option. Go ahead and tap on the third option, arrow. And once you do, it gives you option of sending and receiving the crypto. So go ahead and tap on the first option that says send. Once that is done, in the search bar, you need to go ahead and paste the recipient address, which is the Bitcoin address. So go ahead and copy the Bitcoin address and paste it right here. And after that is done, you may select up the account, and then you need to enter up the amount that you would like to send. So go ahead and tap on send the amount after you have after you've entered it. And then once that is done, here it will show you the view, basically the transcript kind of. So just go ahead and tap on send now, and that's it. So that is it for now. You may follow up this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.